Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take up the important current affairs of 11th of July. The first question is a 750 megawatt first renewable energy project to supply to an institutional customer outside the state was recently inaugurated at. The answer is Riva. So Riva in Madhya Pradesh, there was a 750 megawatt renewable energy project installed which is going to supply power to Delhi Metro. So here you can see Riva on the map. This is Madhya Pradesh. The first set of 5 volumes of Dash, published under the National Mission for Manuscripts (NMM), was recently presented to the government of Mongolia. So the answer is Mongolian Kanjur. So what is Mongolian Kanjur? It is a Buddhist canonical text. It consists of 108 volumes. So the Buddhist monks in Mongolia, they recite it as a ritual in the morning prayers. Kanjur means concise orders. Talking about the National Mission for Manuscripts, it comes under the Ministry of Culture and was inaugurated in 2003. The Mongolian Kanjur was translated from Tibetan language. Next, Operation Samudra Setu, which was launched on Dash as part of the national effort to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas during the COVID 19 pandemic, has culminated after successfully bringing 3992 Indian citizens back to their homeland by sea. So the answer is 5th of May 2020. So the project began on 5th of May 2020. It brought back 3992 Indians to their homeland by sea. Next, World Drug Report is generated by which international agency? So the World Drug Report is generated by UNODC, United Nations Office for Drug and Crime. The headquarters of UNODC is in Vienna, Austria. Next, world's first reusable PPE kit with triple viral shield technology was recently launched in which country? So the name of this first reusable PPE kit is Viral Shield, has been launched in India. Talking about who manufactured it, it was Loyal Textiles in partnership with Reliance Industries and HeIQ, which belongs to Switzerland. So this is a one of its kind reusable PPE kit, which is a major feat. Next, National Fish Farmers Day is celebrated on which day? The answer is 10th of July. So every year 10th of July is celebrated as National Fish Farmers Day. So talking about National Fish Farmers Day, United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization GlobeFish, it took out a report which said that India is the second largest aquaculture producer and the third largest fish producer in the world. Talking about the schemes related to fishing, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, which was allocated rupees 20,500 crore in this budget, which aims for sustainable development of fisheries in India. Next, what is the name of the world's emptiest airport which was recently in news? So Matala Rajpaksha International Airport, named after the current president of Sri Lanka, Godbaya Rajpaksha, is the world's emptiest airport. So India was supposed to take over the working of this international airport, but India has now refused. Talking about the IGI airport, it is the busiest airport in India. Busiest airport in India. Kushinagar airport was recently converted into an international airport and it belongs to Uttar Pradesh. So that's all for today. I hope you like our current affairs series. Thank you so much for watching.